of the warnings were ignored. The leaks spread the walls, weakened the air, became contaminated, and the structure slowly lost control. Now, everything has been exposed. Flood zone represents total environmental contamination inside the structure. Water carries mold, bacteria, toxic particles, decay, and destruction into every surface it touches. Floors collapse. Walls break apart. Airborne contamination spreads room to room. And the home itself becomes unsafe to enter.
The deeper the flooding becomes, the more contamination spreads through insulation, furniture, vents, flooring, and structural material.
Nothing remains untouched. And once the entire structure becomes compromised, recovery may require complete reconstruction. That's why Tilt warns people before the damage reaches this stage, because by the time the house becomes a flood zone, the contamination has already taken control. Fact.
Flood damaged structures
Can contain mold, bacteria, sewage contamination, toxic particles, structural decay, and airborne exposure risks that continue spreading long after the water disappears. Threat level 25.
toxic level,
Maximum
visibility
high. Spread risk
maximum
power.
24.
Protection value